Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos from your profile. Very easy, very simple guys. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner and you want to go on your profile. Let's take a look at videos that we want to delete. Let's click on this one. Let's say I want to delete this video, right? How I'm going to go about it? Well, I can click on the three dots right here that is under the comment section, and then I am going to have three menus, 1, 2, 3, right? So the menu that we're going to be focusing is the third one. You want to scroll all the way to the end over here and you will have an option that is called delete. This is how you actually going to delete the videos. I don't know why TikTok hide this particular feature so far. Probably they didn't want people to have the easy shortcut to delete their videos and remove content from the platform. But essentially guys, this is how you delete your videos manually. Unfortunately, there isn't a way in which you can multi-delete so far. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.